Sephia. And just for you guys' information, this car has 131,000 miles on it. And it's a 2000. So, we painted the door handle. This is close to the color of the guy's car that we were working on. Yeah, look at that. That came out pretty damn good. Like, really good. I had a little run right here, and I just tipped it back a little bit, and it settled down, and it leveled out. It was nice. So, we'll set that here. That's funny, that's the same color as that Honda that we smashed the racer lights out on. But yeah, this is original Honda colors, and we painted it for a Kia. Check out that door handle, huh? Isn't that just great? Here, we'll show them what the door handle does.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, or what it doesn't do. Oh, you shut the door.
I know, I feel like crawling in again.
So we have our replacement parts. We have our inside door handle, which almost looks brand new. And we have our slightly off-color door handle. That's pretty close. It's just darker.
Yeah, I know, it's really, really close.
Pop the door handle. I forget to use a towel to catch the clip.
Can they see?
Yeah.
Get in the way a little bit.
Okay, I got the clip exposed. Let me. I know. Watch your hands.
Yeah, I was gonna go. My finger was in that.
I'm gonna remove the screw in the cup, or the little holder there.
The handle here.
The handle thingy.
This one screw comes right out.
And you have this one actually has the screws in the bottom. Okay. Oh, so the screws at the bottom are gone too. So you have one there and two more underneath the door.
There.
And the two plastic pieces of crap in the thing. Yeah, I got great coverage of that screw coming out. Okay.
You got pop the pins.
Yeah.
And then that's when it comes off.
Yeah.
It's easy.
And there's no connectors because it's a butt licker.
Alright, there's the piece of crap handle. I'm just taking all this off.
Yeah, just 3 screws and we'll replace it with our new to us. It does quite literally look brand new though.
Just gotta be careful with this clip because if you're too hard with it, I just used a flathead and I pushed into it just a little bit and then pulled it down to get it to come off, and you just have to pull this out when you unattach this. If you break these, then your doors won't work very well. This takes something out. Only hold together with 4 or 3 screws. 1.
And just so they know, we are putting our hardware on the ground where it can easily be kicked. It's perfectly fine. I don't know what that is. Pop that thing off there.
Ready?
That was easy?
Yeah, well,
okay.
It just comes in right here. This is the clip I was telling them about. So you gotta be careful with it. It pretty much just pins under right there.
Yeah.
Just push it back and pull it out. Okay.
Well, here's the new one. It's all proper like. We tried to repair it. It's shitty. It's all, yeah, it's not gonna work.
Super glue and then the getaway. So we're gonna take this off.
I know I brought my bag. Yeah, it was a 10 mil. And it's a 10. And if they change it on this car, someone needs to die.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not gonna ruin it. What I did was I pushed on the back of it like, oh, you got it. Never mind.
You broke it. Yeah, they're not in my pocket anymore. I put them on the table.
At home?
Yeah. But we could reach down there still and get it.
Okay. There's a little clip right in here. This white little clip there. Pretty much have to push it back and then pull it. Or push it back and up and then pull it out and it'll come right out. This is the only part you need to detach. The lock will just come right out by itself since we got it undone. So now I just push the whole thing out. Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's one more rod. It's the lock, but the lock should have came apart. Oh, there it goes. Now it's coming off. There we go.
Alright. Piece of shit. We got our new one. Look how nicely painted that is. It actually almost matches.
Almost.
Hang on. I think.
It'll glide itself back in and
Hang on.
torque down the bolts.
There we go. That's better. Little bastard.
There you go.
That's better. Look at that. It's not even the right color, but hey, it works. Okay, let's set you guys back on the tripod now that we got that done. This is where it all failed. There we go. Got it? Did it again.
2 times the charm. Don't over torque it or you'll crack the plastic.
Yeah. Now we want to torque this down to 95 foot-tons.
Oh yeah, no.
No, we want to put it on the spec that the people at the oil change places put on their oil filters. 95 foot-tons, where you need a breaker bar and a cat tractor to pull it off.
Bam.
And it's locked in. It works.
Yep.
How about here? We'll put our broken piece in.
Yeah, it's going somewhere like a rock.
Like a knock.
Oh, like a knock, yeah.
That's what happens when you get piston slap, which is usually out of the factory. Well, this one's cleaner, so. Great, and he just went right underneath my car. Son of a beach.
There we go. Push it in. Turn around, slide it in. And you don't want to just rip these off or you'll ruin it and they'll slip out and then you're going to have all this other fun tearing it apart again.
Now, most people would have thrown these cars out if that would have happened, breaking the handle off.
Yeah, like one was in the yard. That was 100,000 on it. That was it.
Yeah. It's like, come on. Come on. Okay, let me do the other test. Oh my god. That's amazing, it works.
Yeah, you just gotta fill it up.
Wow. Who would have thunk? now I just put that goddamn door panel back
Is
on.
this the better looking one?
Yeah. Don't scratch the paint. No. Like it matters. Swing your window crank. Your little sign on it. Just like that. Everything goes back together with excessive force. So this is what we got here today, guys. We got that Cummins in, guys. Check out this new F-250, guys. Hey guys, what's up, guys?
What if they're girls?
Yeah. There's probably like one girl watching. She's like, I want that Cummins in my truck. And me and my girl can go on a road trip. Like, god damn!
No, there's some chicks that like trucks.
They like big black trucks. Alright. Shut the door. Wow. Who'd have thunk that this car would have a working door handle on that side?